Next, after opening up your retirement account, you're going to have to figure out where you're going to invest your money. And like I mentioned before in a previous video, everything you need to know about investing could really be summed up in under a few minutes, and here you go. These are those few minutes. For most people out there who want to invest in retirement accounts, it doesn't make any sense to go and research individual stocks to buy and sell, or go and invest in Tesla options and make all of these YOLO bets on Robinhood. Instead, there's really just three things that you need to invest in, and that's it. This is what's known as the three-fund portfolio, and it pretty much covers everything, so you are investing in the entire world just going up in value. And that way too, if one business or industry goes down, it doesn't really matter. You got hundreds and thousands of others to pick up the pace. And all of this is just investing 80% of your money in an S&P 500 index fund. Now this tracks the top 500 publicly traded companies in the United States, like Apple, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Netflix, you name it. Then you're going to be investing 10% of your money in an international stock market index fund that's going to be covering all of the emerging markets. This way you're going to be getting even more diversification as other countries just grow and develop. And lastly, you could put 10% of your money in a bond index fund like this one, Vitabilix. See, typically how this works is that when the stock market goes down, bond prices go up. So think of this one a little bit like your safety net. This one's going to give you a little bit more stability in your account so you don't see all of these like wild fluctuations day to day. And between all of these funds, you should expect to see a 5 to 8% return each and every year, with dividends reinvested accounting for inflation. That is completely passive income, building your wealth totally tax-free over decades and decades. Even if you invest $500 a month into one of these accounts starting at the age of 20 by the age of 60, that could potentially be worth $1.8 million totally tax-free just by following this advice. And alternatively, if you want to go even easier than this, just invest in VT-SAX, or a total stock market index fund. That one literally covers everything.